Let's learn how we can apply the concept of the mean, which is the average of what a data in solving application questions. So this is question 13, WASSCE 2024 September edition. The mean of 10 numbers is given as 16. When another number k is added, the mean becomes 18. We have to find the value of that k. Let's begin with the concept of what? Mean. We know the mean is given as x bar equals to the summation of all the value of x divided by the number of what? The values you are adding. So in this case, the mean is given to us. The numbers are 10. We don't know how many, the sum of those numbers. So let's find the sum of those numbers will become the mean times what? N, right? The mean. So for the first instance, the mean is given to us as what? 16. The numbers are 10. That means the summation of all data is going to be 16 times 10, and that will give us what? 160 degrees. So we can see that when k is added, are we going to add the k to the mean or to the number or to the sum of numbers? You see, we have added all the numbers to be 160. If I am adding another number, I'll be adding it to what? The 160. So it means your summation becomes 160 plus what? K. So let's see what will be the new mean. The new mean will still be the summation, right? Which is 160 plus k equals to, it was 10 numbers we are adding to get 160. So if you are adding 1, it means the 10 will become 11. Don't forget the new mean, we have been told, become what? 18. So this equation become 18 equals to 160 plus k divided by 11. This is having a fraction, so we multiply through by the 11. So 11 times 18 equals to 160 plus what? K. Remember how we've learned how to multiply numbers by 11. So we open the numbers up. 1 and what? 8. 1 plus 8, 9. That gives us 11 times what? 18. Then that will be equals to 160 plus k. We are looking for this. So we subtract 160 from both sides of the equal sign. That makes 198 minus 160 equals to k. This is 60 from here. Will be 36. 100 will be 0. So we have 38 equals to k. What are we looking for? We are looking for k. So k will actually be the option A, 38. So therefore, k equals to 38. That's a number that has been added from after adding the 10 numbers. The next number will be 38. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.